Good morning, I'm Healthy Chelsea, and today I'm going to guide you through a very beginner practice of the breath of fire, the Kapalabhati breath. So as you get more advanced and comfortable in this breath, it will look differently. So today I'm going to start you off with just some simple steps to moving towards a Kapalabhati practice. So your belly here is acting like a bellows mender. If you know what that is, it is the thing that they, back in the day, used to press in and out so that a fire would get stoked, and they'd have them in fireplaces. So that's exactly what's happening, is you are stoking your inner fire. You're bringing oxygen in there really rapidly and cycling the breath through, and that's basically just churning up energy. So it's a very powerful breathing practice. It's also called the skull cleansing breath, which I like because it really gets the clutter out of your head, which I need, and I'm sure many of you out there probably need too. You got clutter all up in here, and this is a nice breath to just get that out. I'd like you to take your hand to your belly, and you're going to be thinking of blasting the breath out your nose. So just go ahead and try that, and the hand's going to be here on the belly to just feel what happens in the belly as you breathe out the nose. So focus on blasting the breath out the nose. And you'll notice as you blast the breath out the nose, the belly responds and it goes in. Try that again a couple times. We're going to try this with a little bit quicker movement. Let's go for 5 in a row. It's important not to move your shoulders too much. You're not forcing the breath out. You're not riding the cow here. Okay, so your body's staying centered and it's just the breath that's moving. The belly is responding to the breath. It's not the chest that's responding. You're not lifting and dropping. Okay, let's try that again. Let's go for 10 this time. Blasting it out the nose, noticing how your belly whips back. Take a natural breath. Now we're gonna go for 1 minute, and you can take this as quick or as slow as you need to keep your belly so that it's responding to the breath and not vice versa. You're not using your belly here. The belly is a response to this upper portion. Here we go. Focusing on that breath out through the nose. Now when you're done, take a natural breath. Try this video this morning, see how it feels. If you like it, try it again. Thank you so much for joining me. This has been Healthy Chelsea.